Okay students, this is question number 9 of exercise 6.1 and this is the last question of this exercise. So let's start this. Let's read out the question. How many numbers lies between the square of the following numbers? How many numbers lies between the square of given any two numbers? Like here the question has given you 12 and 13. Now you have to find this how many number lies between the square of 12 and 13. That means 12 square and 13 square. If you simplify this, how many numbers lies between these two? It's 12 square is 144 and 13 square is 169. Now 145 till 169 you have to go on. But if the number in place of 12 and 13 you get suppose like 23 and 24, it becomes very large number, so it is difficult to calculate it by simplifying it. I'll give you one example. See here, suppose we have to find the numbers between the square of 2 and 3. That means 2 square and 3 square. 2 square means 4 and 3 square means 9. These are the small numbers, so we can write which are the numbers between 4 and 9. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 number lies between the square of 2 and square of 3. These are the small numbers, we can calculate and find it. But in the bigger number like this, it is difficult to calculate and find it. It will take huge time. And this is a short answer type question, so we cannot take so much long time. So there is a formula for this. And you see, this is the formula. We know how many number lies between the square of 2 and 3? 4 numbers, isn't it? But let's see by using formula how we will get it. Then you'll understand. The same number, I'm copying it over here, 2 and 3. Suppose the two given numbers are n and n plus 1. Why it is n and n plus 1? We have to take it in this way. These two are consecutive numbers. If 2 is n, if the value of 2 is n, then this is 2 plus 1. N is 2, no? 2 plus 1 gives you 3. So if one is n and the other is n plus 1, then how many number lies is 2 into n. Whatever value of n is over here, you have to multiply with 2. Here the value of n is 2. So 2 multiply with 2 gives you 4. That means 4 number lies between the square of 2 and square of 3. I know you are confused. You'll be clear by watching this one. See the question here. This is 13 and this is 12 and this is 13. We have to find the number between 12 square and 13 square. This is n. The smaller is always n. And this is n plus 1. Because if 12 is n, the n plus 1 is 12 plus 1, 13. So here n equals to 12. That's why. Now what will be the answer? You see over here, what is the answer? 2n. So 2n here is equals to 2 into the value of n is 12. So 2 12s are 24 number lies between 12 square and 13 square. So this is the way you get the number between any two square numbers. Okay, any two square numbers, those two should be consecutive. 12, 13, 2, 3, like that. Okay, we have finished this exercise 6.1. So we'll continue with 6.2 in our next class, that is tomorrow. So I hope all of you are fine and doing well. And please, some more questions are here in this question number 9. The remaining questions are your homework. So please do it in your exercise copy. And whenever the school will reopen, my first work is I'll check all of your copy. It should be very neat and clean. And my dears, one announcement for you, that as soon as the school reopen, I'll be giving 5 marks for your copies. So do not forget, keep your copy neat and tidy. Okay? Okay, see you in the next video, that is tomorrow. Bye, take care.